After crossing the Alps, I drove through beautiful Tyrol in the sunshine. So I think that will be one of the last glimpses of the snow-covered peak. So let's say goodbye. We are continuing this way, the Imst cycling path. So this was my spot for the night, right next to a small chapel and a field with a drinking fountain. So all conditions were given for a quiet night and a restful sleep. Hey there, it's 2 AM in the morning now and it did not stop raining for 4 hours, 5 hours. I think you can hear it, and the tent already was wet from yesterday, and now you can also see everything is like pushing through, and it's getting really uncomfortable because also now I can feel it on the mattress that it's wet. And just check the weather forecast also for the whole day. Tomorrow will be rain. I hope it will not be too bad because it kind of sucks. After ridding my tent of slugs, I set off again. Contrary to the forecast, it also did not rain, at least in the morning. Hello everyone. So because I know how much you like the rural village in Germany I've showed you, then the one in Switzerland and Austria, I have a special treat for you today. So I am now here at the Tyrolean farmhouse museum. And there are a lot of like old farmhouses which they renovated, and you can go inside and check them out, and that's what we're going to do. So stay tuned. So let's go inside. People seem to be a little bit smaller. Okay.
Schon ein mühseliges Handwerk. Und dann müssen wir die Pflanzen hechten. Und da gibt es für uns Weiberlein immer viel zu reden und zu erzählen.
Hey there, a little demotivated now because I think, as you can tell, it's raining again, and not just now. I mean, it rained the whole day, it rained the whole night yesterday, and yeah, I will I will still drive now because it will not stop. So I got into my rain gear and will head away. But I have to really say that weather's now currently really annoying, and I have like some mild fever again. I had some sore throat in the morning, and with these conditions, it's hard to completely get done with it, because then if I move again, it's warm, and I will sweat, and then it will be cold again, and yeah. But I will hit the road now anyway. I will go to warm place, do some editing, and then have to check out where I'm going to sleep today. I did not figure that out yet, and the problem is, because it was raining all day yesterday as well, everything is a little wet. So even my sleeping bag from the outside, my mat, my tent and everything. So yeah, no, not so nice, but there will be better times ahead.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. All in, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside.
After riding in the rain for the rest of the day, I pitched my tent on the side of the road. So I'm just packing up now. Slept pretty good, I have to say. Got woken up by the farmer putting the gülle, I don't know how you call it in English, on the meadow. But as you can see here, there's a foreign object in the sky, and I'm looking forward to see it more often today. Yeah, so let's start. There he is. If you have ever wondered how these marshmallows are harvested, then take a good look now.